Everyone argues about which one looks better, the BMW X5 or the Audi Q7. But nobody talks about the real question, which one will actually drain your bank account? So I crunched the numbers, depreciation, repairs, and fuel, over 5 full years. And here is the surprise. One of these SUVs is actually a smart long-term decision, while the other hides a $4,000 cost most buyers never see coming. On the surface, they look evenly matched, don't they? The Audi clearly wins on interior tech. The virtual cockpit is still one of the best in the game. But the BMW, it drives better, sharper, quicker, more engaging. But here is the trap. That showroom excitement fades fast. Because what really matters is what happens after the warranty runs out, right? Here is the honest truth. The BMW B58 engine is legendary for a reason. It is proven, solid, and surprisingly reliable. This generation of Audi, on the other hand, has struggled more than most people realize. Now listen carefully. If you plan to keep your SUV past 60,000 miles, the BMW is statistically the safer bet. One major electrical failure in the Audi can cost over $2,000 to fix. Now let us talk about the math, because numbers do not lie. After 5 years, the Audi Q7 loses about 52% of its value. The BMW X5 does slightly better, losing around 48% instead. Combine that faster depreciation with higher average maintenance costs, and suddenly the Audi's lower sticker price actually costs you more in the long run. You are not paying for better ownership, you are paying for the badge. So what is the right choice? If you are leasing for 3 years, get the Audi. It is comfortable, tech-focused, and stress-free. But if you are buying to own long-term, the BMW X5 is the smarter financial decision today. And before you go, subscribe Autoscope Global for more informative videos.